Last time when we talk about data types and variables, you see that you get a plain output. This does not make any sense. Like, what's mean by this 25? Somebody is not reading your code, then he or she may not know what this 25 really means. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to format a string so that you can put some tags or a string. There are 4 ways in formatting an output in Python. First one is manual string formatting, and second one is format string literals, or we usually call this as f string. And the third one is about the string format, and the last one is printf style in C. So let's see one by one. First, manual formatting. So regarding manual formatting, the syntax is, if I want to print, then you can just pass some string, my name is, and separate it by comma, and you should pass your variable name here. So if I run this program, now you see that it looks much sensible, and we have formatted our output now. My name is Dawa, and let me also do the same thing for the age. So, and I am, okay, I am, and you have to separate with the comma. You have to pass your variable name here. So if I run this program, you see that you get an output. My name is Sonam, and I am 25. Maybe even after the age, I need to pass some string. So for that, I am 25 years old. So if I run this, now you see that my name is Sonam and I am 25 years old. This is how you do a manual formatting. But you can also put this in one sentence, something like this. If I run this, you see that my name is Sonam and I am 25 years old. The additional argument that you can pass in manual formatting is separate and and. If I pass separator here, and let me pass some string, so I want to separate with this line, and if I run this program, you see that these two values are separated by line, and you can also pass an and here. So if I run this program, you see that it will automatically embed what has been passed inside an and. So now the next method that you can format your output is by using f string. This one is most commonly used, and I prefer this. So for this f string, you should always use f in the front of your output string. That is, this defines the f string. So it can be either small letter f or capital letter F. And then here you need to pass your string. So my name is, and then it will take in curly braces, and here you need to pass your variable name that you want to print. So my name is Dawa, and I am, okay, I want to pass here again this age variable. I am 50 years old. So something like this. So if I run this program, let me comment this line. Now I don't want to see this. We are done with this manual formatting. So if I run this program, you see that now you get my name is Sonam and I am 50 years old. This is how you do with the f string. From the Python version above 3.8, it can also support an equal to sign as a self-documenting expressions or debugging. So for that, you just need to do something like this, and it can also take in as equal to sign. If I run this program, you see that name Sonam age 50. Let me also put new line and check. It might look better. Yes, something like this. So this is how you use a f string. Now the third method that I'm going to do is with the format method. Format method is very simple. So you just need to pass your string here. Okay, my name is, and you just need to place one open and close curly braces to pass the value here, and I want to pass my age here, 5 years old. So here you need to put a format, and then here you need to pass your variable name. My name is, here I want to pass a name inside this format function, and then next one I want to see age. You see that you get an output, my name is Sonam and I am 50 years old. By the way, this format method also takes a position. So let me say by default the indexing always takes from 0, and it goes from 0, 1, 2, 3. So this one is a 0 and this one is a 1. That means you are calling what is passed here. So that means this name is at 0 and age is at 1. So name will be automatically placed inside this, and age will be placed inside this. So if I run this program, you should not see any change. Now you see it's the same. My name is Sonam and I'm 15 years old. So now what if I place something like this? Now I want to print something like this. So I am passing age. That means age is at position 1 and name is at position 0. So I'm passing something like this now. 1 here, 0 here. So if I run this program, so you see that my name is 50 and I am Sonam years old. It becomes something like this. Basically what I'm trying to teach here is this format method also takes in a position inside this bracket. So let me give more example on this. Now you see that this first will be automatically placed here, second inside this, and third will be placed inside this. So if I run this program, you see that you get first, second, and third. So now let me talk about the position. So if I put here 1 and let me put 0 here, let me put 2 here. So if I run this program, now you see you get a different output. Second is printed first, and first is in the middle and third is in the last. This is because this one is at index 0, so this 0 will be printed in the middle. So that's why first is in the middle, and then this second is in index 1, so we have passed index 1 first, so that's why you are able to see second at first, and then accordingly index number 2 is third. So this is how you can also pass a position of the object inside a format method. And the advantage of using this format method is you can also control the floating numbers or the decimal values that you can see on output console. Let me declare another variable pi and let me assign some value here, 3.14. So I want to print the value of the pi using a format method. You can pass your pi variables here. So before that, let me comment this code. I don't want to see this. So now you see pi value is 3.14. So with this format method, you can also control the floating number. So for that, what you can do is here we are actually printing the pi value. So I want to control this. For this, you can use a colon and dot. Maybe let me put 5 floating numbers. Now you see 3.14. The 5 value has been printed here, 3.14000. So this is how you can control a floating number with float method. So if I put only 1 here and then run this program, you should see only 3.1. So now we are left with the last method, that is printf style in C. I'm not going to talk about this because I haven't seen senior developers using this, and I'm not going to do this, and I'm also not using this. But if you really want to learn, I have also explained this in the last part, I think. Old string formatting or printf style in C. You can visit my blog and check it once if you really want to learn. Before I close this, clear one doubt. You might be wondering which method should I use, or is it compulsory to use all the methods that I have demonstrated here? You need not have to use like all the methods. You can go ahead with which one you prefer or whenever required. Almost every method are powerful in its own way. Like format method has advantage of controlling of floating numbers, and other like manual formatting is very easy to apply. And this f string is very convenient, where you do not have to put so many commas like quotations. So accordingly, you can choose whichever you are comfortable or which one you prefer. So I personally prefer using this f string. I most of the time use this. This is what I'm more comfortable with. So you can go ahead with your own choice. So with this, we'll see you in the next video lesson that will be on accepting user inputs and type conversions.